What's up guys, Dre's iTech here, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your logic board from your existing Xbox 360 disk drive to your replacement drive. Say your Xbox 360 drive stopped working, the lens messed up or whatever, it's no longer reading this. You need to replace it for whatever reason. What you might not know is that you can't just plug and play. This is my existing Xbox 360 drive that came from the Xbox 360 right there, and it doesn't work anymore. The data cable got broken off by the previous owner. I guess they were trying to disconnect it undercover, hoping that their kid would not know that it was broken so that they wouldn't play games anymore. For whatever reason, they broke the data cable off completely. They broke the connector from the board, so you can't use it anymore, and the drive cannot open, so I have to replace it. So yeah, if you did not know, these drives in the Xbox 360, they're not plug and play. So when you replace them, you have to transfer the logic board from the original drive to the new drive. Otherwise, your drive will not read games. It'll still read some discs, but it won't play games because it's a security feature, I think, put in place by Microsoft to help secure the system. So yeah, each drive is locked to the device that it came with. So the only way to make sure that you're still able to use it properly after replacing the drive is to transfer the original logic board, which is inside here. It's a green circuit board. It's inside here, and you put it into the replacement. And yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do. So yeah, if you buy these and you plug it up and you're like, oh, it's not working, you don't see, I don't think there's any video online. I haven't seen any that shows what even the logic board is, how to replace it and whatever, but it's pretty straightforward once you get into it. But in case, just for those that probably still want a little bit of guide on how to do it, I'm about to do mine because I need to, because I bought this Xbox 360 here from a flea market, and I need to sell it because that's what I do with my business. I buy, fix stuff, and sell them. So I can't sell it. Well, I could sell it without the drive working, but that's kind of not something I like to do. I'm a tinker. I like to fix stuff, so I want to sell it in full working condition. So I need to swap over the logic drive from here to here to make sure that everything is fully operational. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm going to show you guys the process of me doing that, because the video before I did, my previous video, was showing you the breakdown of the 360, how to get into it. And this would be one of the other things that I think would be good to show, getting the board out. There's a couple of the things I can do to the 360 as well, but some of them I'm not willing to show for legal reason. But yeah, I might at some point if it is required or people are curious. So as we have a breakdown, we have this drive here from the 360. We have the cover panels and stuff here. We have the front cover here with this circuit board as well that controls the eject button and the power button. We have the ribbon that connects to the circuit, and then we have the heat sink here. You have the hard drive here. You have the motherboard here, and you have the CPU that's underneath the heat sink right there. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's built like a PC for the most part. That's sitting inside of a a console casing. So I like that from Microsoft. Yeah. So we're gonna get into it and start dismantling this drive. And yeah, so here's the replacement drive that I received here. And you can even see here the sellers did good, because not a lot of sellers do this and point this out for buyers that are just buying it and not knowing that they're not plug and play. They actually put it on here to let unknown buyers know that the logic board must be replaced. I mean, the board that's inside here must be replaced. You have to take your existing board out, as I said previously, and put it in here. So good on them putting that sticker on there to make sure, you know, that they are aware of it, and they also put it on their website on eBay. So yeah, so this drive already have opened up in anticipation of the arrival of the replacement, so I was already ready and waiting for it to come in so I can remove the logic board from here and put it to here. So let's get into that. So one of the other thing that you know, I can do with the Xbox 360, if you need to flash the drive, which is if you want to know what that means, you'll have to look it up online, but essentially it allows your disk drive to play all type of disk to read, pretty much mostly the type of disk that you want it to read, if you get my drift. So yeah, that's another thing that I can also give you guys a tutorial guide as to how to do it. It's a little bit different for certain disk drives. Some disk drives are easier to flash than others. The Lighten disk drive particularly is a little bit you know, annoying to flash. It takes a little bit more parts and stuff. But the other drives like the Samsung or the Philips, the BenQ, those are a little bit more easy. But if you and there it is. This is the logic board. This is the lens. This is the motor that powers the drive to go back and forth. And yeah, this is all you need. This is the original board key identifier. Take this, put it into your replacement, and you know, that's all you need to do. There you have it. Logic board that came with it out. Original logic board going in. So there you go, guys. The logic board has been removed from the old drive and installed into the new one, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. You take your existing logic board out and put it into your new one, and you put it back into your Xbox, button it up, and you get back to life as normal, playing video games. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys already saw me do the unboxing or dismantling video, so you won't, don't think you need to see me putting it inside the box and all that stuff. You can see how that's done in the, in the other video. But if you want to see the video of how to flash your drive, then let me know, and I'll consider making one. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good one.